Hi, everyone. I cannot believe that we are close to the end of kindergarten. Together, we are going to count down the last couple days of kindergarten by using a letter of the alphabet to go as our theme every day. I posted all the information for you and the calendar, but I wanted to show you how to upload your photos or videos just in case you're not sure yet, because I would love to see how you celebrate the theme of every day. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you just so you can see. Give me one moment. Okay, so you're going to go on our ClassTag account and you're going to scroll to find each morning meeting when it's posted every day. So, for example, here is today's morning meeting when I'm recording this video. If you click record, continue reading, you can see all the information. I'll always post what the theme of the day is, and it'll also be in my video. But then for you to share how you celebrated that theme, you're going to go to the comment section and click on the paperclip. And then you can select from your files or your videos. You can do it the same way on your phone. It'll bring up your photo albums or all of your videos. So that way all of our comments will be right there organized for us all to see. Okay. I hope that you guys are going to participate with me to do the theme. If you feel more comfortable just participating on your own and not sharing a photo, that's fine. But I would really love to see how everybody is celebrating the end of kindergarten. Good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.